In the year 2014, I registered for PhD in the Department of Statistics, Manipal University. During my research period, I always dreamt of working with IIPH Gujarat. So in the year 2017, I applied for a faculty position, gave my interview, cleared all rounds and finally got selected. I was incredibly happy that my dream came true. While I was waiting for my appointment letter, I got a call from the director stating that my selection has been transferred to IIPH Hyderabad. I was very disappointed and was even ready to reject the job offer. Later, I decided to accept and work for some years in Hyderabad. I did not know what was God's plan for me at that moment. In 2018, my friend introduced me to Hope UC. I attended the service and was completely amazed by seeing the worship, the way the Word of God was shared, the kind of fellowship and the environment. Later, I joined as a volunteer in Sunday school. Because of my job, I was unable to concentrate on my PhD. Some of my family members thought I will not be able to complete my studies. After a long struggle in the year 2018, I was finally awarded for the doctoral degree. During this phase of life, I met my life partner. I had difficulty in convincing my parents due to the differences that we had between us. But we did not lose hope. We let God to be the center of everything. We both prayed and waited for 2 long years. Later, God changed my parents' heart and agreed to a marriage. In the month of August 2020, I got married in Hope UC in the presence of God, all the pastors and both our family members. It was not a coincidence that I got a job in Hyderabad. It was God's plan. It was not me, it was God who wrote the story. Whatever be the situation, you can always trust the Lord and His plans. You can trust Him with all your heart because He knows it better. He wrote a way better story for me than I ever could have imagined. I am Melissa Lewis and this is my story of hope.